Okay, so a couple days ago, I actually received my downpipe after about 2.5 months, which was crazy wait. But I finally got it, so here it is. There's two pieces actually. This is the one with the catalytic converter. And then there is some long piping right here. I don't know if I can really get it all on camera because my car is not that big, but yeah, I'm gonna go try to install it today after my one class, and hopefully I can get in because yesterday I couldn't. But yeah, this is a high flow cat downpipe, just 3-inch piping, and yeah, obviously I'm gonna do some sound clips of how it sounds, you know, with the downpipe added. Hopefully it sounds a lot better. I don't know, should be a lot louder, but I guess we'll see.
One eternity later.
One of the guys who works here has this 700 horsepower Supra. It's madness. This is the piece that I replaced. How busted this stock downpipe is. I had to bring it back in my car and it literally got my interior so dirty. I have to clean my car. downpipe made a huge difference in the sound. It is so much louder now, and downshifts are better. It pops more. I don't know, everything about it's just better. So, and I didn't expect it to be this loud, to be honest. And I don't know, turned out perfect. So if you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe.